You're really freaking me out. That was a Connecticut apple. Oh. Hi. Yeah, I know about it. No, she emailed me. An apple. The refrigerator. You won't believe what I was just doing just then. No, something far more interesting. Here you go. Hold on. No, watch. As I'm talking to you, I am feeding a deer some of my apple. Yes, I'm filming it right now. So I'm actually talking to you while I'm filming it. Watch, I'll give him another one. Oh, there he goes. Yeah. Yeah. Well, no, not the deer, just the part of the apple that I... Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty big. I know, I'm going to. I know, it's cool. Yep, I know. Thanks. Alrighty, bye-bye. What's that? I didn't train it. Did I?
I mean, you've been doing this a lot? Or?
No, this is the first. I never even tried it before.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. I think I have the
Dr. Dolittle thing?
no, the Snow White thing.
Yeah. I was watching out my window. I was like, wow, I've never seen that.
Yeah. Weird. Here you go. Here you go. Bye-bye.